to the car. That is why I didn't record myself. But now I'm closer to home. So I'll find Spanesica first before I go to meet Shine. They're not staying in the same place. If lights come to school, she just stay in her family members. So Shine, I've got somebody that is looking after for him, and then I would pick him up too as well, and then we go home. So it is nearly dark, guys. So I'm walking towards home. Yeah, don't mind my hair. I'm just coming from work, guys. I'm waiting for my kids. So here I am in my neighborhood right now. So don't mind it. Don't mind the places where I'm staying on here. So alright. It is too cold today.
No, it's
So I got Spanesica, guys. She's here with me. Great.
Hi guys, welcome to another video.
It's my video.
Can I have? So today,
You wanna vlog?
no, it's on vibrate. So guys, today is called the what? Just at somebody's house. So this blue house, I don't say blue house anyway, but it is okay. That is not a blue house. It's this kind of house. Yeah, it's blue. They paint it. So guys, our video is about to not end. This is so much fun, guys. I like.
You like what? Tell me.
Actually,
What is it that you like?
I'm making a video. Yeah.
You? Are you busy recording me now?
No.
No, because I'm so terrified. I don't know what to do.
So guys,
No problem. All right.
so guys,
No, I'm so terrified. You.
because you didn't know.
You recorded me.
Yeah, you can do.
No, you don't have to.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
Thank you for watching them, guys. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Hold the.
Yo, wow, guys, today I'm happy. Yeah, there's a light. We put a street light over there. Hope guys you see the street light there. There's a street light right now in our place. There's a street light. I'm so happy now. It won't be so dark. I didn't see yesterday, but yesterday it was not there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that's only that.
No, but it's fine. That thing is too bright. It's gonna reach here because you know that
kind of road.
we are in a new stand. Our place is a new place because
Let's call it our
Yes.
street light.
Mm.
Champion light.
the champion light. No?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because it can light
the
all
champion
over.
light. Uh-huh. So now we gotta take Shine. Eh? Yeah.
Mom,
Huh?
come on, the story.
The story. We are home. Good morning. Good afternoon, mommy. Hello. Hello. Boy, boy. Hello, boy, boy. I'm finally home, guys, with my boy. I'm with my boy right now as I'm coming from work. So, guys, it's too painful for me to left my baby boy. You see? You see, Shine Boy? You see, Shine? Papa, my boy. You're so surprised. You see that small baby there? Over there? Over there. Yeah, guys, finally, guys, I'm home. Yeah, I'm glad to see my boy now. Yeah. So he's now trying to sit as he's 4 months old right now. He's a big boy now. He's a big boy now. A big boy. Big boy. Wow. Wow. He's a big boy right now. Shine boy. Shine. Mama. Papi. Fun fun. Oh, put this. Putty. Putty. He's trying to sit down right now. He's trying, guys, but I'm still supporting him. Hello. Hey, mister. Hey, mister. Hey, mister. Hello, mister. Hello, Mr. Goben. Hello, mister. Mr. Handsome. Hey. Okay. Hey. 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 How are you? Hey. How are you? Huh? How are you, my boy? Shine boy. Hi. Hello. Yeah, Shine. Yeah, Shine. Yeah, Shine. Yeah, Shine. Yeah, Shine. You are sitting right now. You are sitting. Uh-huh. You are sitting. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. You wanna sleep? Don't sleep. Don't sleep, my boy. Oh, don't sleep, puppy. So we are very happy, guys. So thank you for subscribing, guys. If you didn't subscribe, press the subscribe button right now. Thank you very much.